Hi, this is the video to tell you how to download and install Eclipse with the plugin Pydev. So you will have an idea to programming Python and run it. So first of all, to download Eclipse, you need to go to the browser and go to the website Eclipse. It is www.eclipse.org/download, and you will see they have a different version for Eclipse. For us, for this machine, we just need Eclipse Classic, and because this is the 64-bit version of Windows, so I will download the 64-bit for Eclipse. And here they have the download link. Also they have several mirrors for you, so depends on where you are, you can choose the one nearest to you and it will be faster. For us, we choose the so it will take for a while to finish the download. Yes, so now it's finished downloading, and by default in my computer you will save the file into the download folder. In your machine it could be the different one. So here we have the zip file Eclipse SDK, so we'll attract everything, and by default it will attract to the same folder. So now once you attract everything, you will see the folder with the same name like the zip file you download, and you can see inside that you have the standalone version to run Eclipse directory. So we can run it right here, but for the convenience use, I just move this folder to the C drive, so it's gonna be in the same level like the Python we installed before. So when you go to this, the run file is Eclipse, the application here, so you just need to double click on that. You will ask for the administration, so we'll choose one and we'll open Eclipse for you. So it will ask you to select a workspace, and by default it will create a folder named workspace under your user folder, so just choose OK. So now we have Eclipse installed and you can use it right away. However, to compile and run Python program, we need to have a plugin named Pydev. So to install that, you will go to Help and choose Install New Software, and you click to add here. The name, I will give the same name, Pydev, and the location will be pydev.org/update. Okay. So Eclipse will query to that folder and return for you. So the thing we need is the Pydev for Eclipse, so I will check for that. The Pydev integration is optional, so if you want to have that, you can choose that. But we don't need that right now, so you just leave it there. We always can add that later. So, and after that, you leave this option like a default and hit next. So now it's done with calculating the dependencies, and what you need to do is hit next, and you need to accept the terms of license agreement and click finish. So now Eclipse will download and installing the Pydev plugin for you. Yes, and they will ask you about the certificates of Pydev, so you need to check that and hit OK. Now Eclipse need to restart to take the effect of Pydev, so you need to hit restart now. So it asks for the, because every time when Eclipse start, it will check to see which workspace you want to work with. So if you don't want it to prompt you every time, you can choose check the box, use this as the default and do not ask again. So we check that and hit OK. So this open Eclipse. Here is the main interface of Eclipse.